Oh my god, it's time for a major glow up, guys. Look at my hair.
Ew!
For me, my number one thing that I think is just like what defines if I'm gonna look like a mess or look fabulous is my hair.
Calling in all divas. It's time to glitter up your day with Simona.
I need to refreshen it, add more layers. It's gone quite greasy, so we're gonna wash it today as well. So yeah, let's go cut my hair. And this is all on a budget. You already know. So let's get to fixing this mess. Now I've collected my supplies. Hair cutting scissors. You can buy them anywhere. Make sure it's hair cutting scissors though. Remember that I'm not a professional, okay? I just am a broke girl that was like, let me just do everything on my own so I don't have to pay for it. I don't think I'm gonna trim my bangs even though they're basically hitting my eyes, because lately I've been wanting to wear them like in a roller so they bounce up a little bit. Whereas before I would wear them like completely flat, if that makes sense. So that leaves me with wanting a hair trim. So I'm gonna do that. I'm going to add more layering into my hair, even though it's in there somewhere. I just like really heavy layering. My front framing pieces are visible, but I still might touch them up and do a bit more of like a, you know, I might add more to the front face framing layers. I don't know if I said that backwards. Let's get to doing that. First, we're gonna dampen the hair. So the thing is, you want to get your hair really like flat in these ponytails. I never try too hard to get them that flat, but like if you don't cut your hair and it's gonna be your first time, maybe perfect it so you can ease the stress. But I always cut my own hair, so I don't really stress about it. One more thing though is it does come down to the texture of your hair. I can kind of afford making a few mistakes when I cut my hair where it's not perfect, but like I can't really tell. So just keep that in mind. Hold these two pieces up. And you're just gonna like cut them. And you're gonna pray that it looks fine. So we're still looking crazy. I'm debating if I wanna trim the length. I'm gonna leave the length as is. Let's see how the face framing layers are. And if we wanna touch them up. I'm gonna take like the front section right here. I think right here. I use this as a guide and then I cut it down. And then see when I let it go, it starts going that way. So now I have my next piece. So I will use my bangs as a guide, but I will very much like cut down this way instead of cutting it parallel, if that makes sense. Okay, that's like even enough for me. And then you can just like keep adding more and adding more face framing pieces if you want. I think I'm gonna do one more. Now you can see the layers more. I was gonna be too lazy to do this, but honestly no, we need the full glow up. Ooh, I like it, I like it. It's not at its peak now, I have to wash and style it. But before I do that and I look at the layers, like I just know how it's gonna look when I style it. So I'm getting excited. Okay, let me think. Is there anything else I want to do? What do you guys think? I think I might leave it at this. I should probably trim my hair though, for being honest. Okay, maybe that's going to be for like 2 or 3 weeks from now. We'll take care of it, but not today. Now we're going to style our hair together. Okay, the hair is dry. Now we're going to do a blowout. And this is going to be the lazy girl version. And not just lazy girl version, this is the like you actually have stuff to do and you can't spend your whole day with rollers in your hair version. So I'm just gonna start separating sections. And I'm taking fuzzy socks that I have on the side. This is the hair tool that I use for my blowouts. It makes it easier versus having like the blow dryer with the attachment and then a roller brush. It's like less of an arm workout this way. Let's take these out of my hair. Some of them kind of like came off on their own while I was sleeping. Like this piece came out. It doesn't usually happen, but you know, it happens. They definitely loosen while I sleep. Like that's like very common. I don't know why I'm so damn tired. Like lately I just have been needing so much sleep. I don't understand it. Like, I had 9 hours and it's like 3:30 p.m. by the way, guys. I don't know what it is that's making me so tired. Maybe it's my mind. Like, in the back of my mind, I feel like I'm worried all the time of like my future and like school and all of this. School has just exhausted me, honestly, like way too much. Here's how the hair looks. It's gonna fall down a little bit, like it's not gonna stay so like up here. It just, when I take them out, it just takes a few minutes for it to kind of go down. But let's look at the layers. I want to go in the mirror and see. You really can't like tell what's going on because of how like curled every piece is at the moment. So I'll give you guys a hair update in a little bit. Right now I'm gonna go get myself some ice cold water. Hopefully that will wake me up. Why does it feel like I woke up at like 7 a.m? It's 3:30 p.m. Oh my god. I had like a few different plans for today, so we'll see what we're gonna do. But I did want to have, I have been wanting to do this for a while, but my little like side hustle, little side business thing, I want to grow it. But then with school coming up, it just feels like school is like, it's stunting my business growth by so much. Like, obviously it takes a lot of time, so it makes sense, and in a way I should just enjoy my time right now and all of this. But I just feel so much in me that I want to do, and school is just stopping that. So, and it's so damn expensive. Oh my god. If I graduate this year, I'm gonna have to start paying back all the loans. Like, oh wow, there's a layer that's up here. Because of how curled it is, it ends at my damn eyeball. Whoa. But anyways, I'm gonna stop complaining. Let's just try to make this day good. Let's try to be in a positive, happy mindset. You guys, I don't know, I've been struggling. It's like my brain doesn't want me to chill, and that's just how I've been feeling lately, because there's so much that I want to do that excites me, but then at the same time I have this like stress and this exhaustion that just like takes over, and then I can't do the things I'm really excited about, that I feel like the creativity flow, like there's still like a block there because of this like exhaustion. Like, I don't even know what it is. But anyway, let's go about our day now. I don't know why we're sitting here talking about laugh for this long. This is not what you guys signed up for, so let's go. But for today, I planned to film a YouTube video, one where I rate my outfits of 2025. I keep wanting to say 2024, I don't know why. Anyways, and then I want to make the thumbnail for that video, and I want to edit it and potentially post it, because this week I've been posting a little bonuses, like bonus videos, but like not necessarily. Just cleared out my desk, so it looks way better now. It still looks kind of messy, but I really cannot get it tidier than this unless I had a second bedroom. Now we're gonna tag some pieces for Glitter Angel Kisses. If you guys don't know, I do like pop-up markets sometimes, and I sometimes sell on Depop. I want to be more consistent because it really is fun and it's what I love doing. But I don't know, it just feels really hard to balance with school and just like how draining school can be. But yeah, I have this Aeropostale top that I'm tagging right now, knit sweater, and then a few pairs of jeans. So yeah, once I'm done doing this, then I'll start recording my video. But so far I just cleaned my room. I showed you guys parts of it, not everything I cleaned, just because like, I don't know, I just felt like I was gonna run out of storage, so I just filmed what I did film. But I also cleaned under my clothing rack. There was kind of a lot going on. Next to my bed I have like a dresser, so I use it kind of as a nightstand in one little corner, so I tidied that corner a little bit. But yeah, you guys saw I vacuumed, I did my bed, I organized my desk a little bit. Once I'm done filming, I really want to make more clothing. This is the outfit. I'm gonna have to accessorize because it's freezing, so I'm gonna be wearing like arm warmers, leg warmers, earmuffs, scarf, jacket, boots, all of that. For now, we got this on. Now I'm gonna do my makeup. So let's start doing our makeup. So my vision is kind of, you know what? I don't even have everything set up. Let me set up. Okay, I have everything ready. Now we can start. So first I'm gonna take this palette and I'm gonna take like a cream color. The look I'm going for is a little bit of a smoky eye, but like a icy. We'll see. I have a little idea in my head of what I want. We'll see if it turns out like in my favor, if it turns into something else. Anyways, then we're gonna take this ColourPop Bratz palette. I smashed the purple, and the purple has been going into my other colors. Maybe we'll do gray as like a base, and then we'll work in the black shade. But I'm putting it on the outer corner, I don't know, the outside of my eye, something like that. And I blend it a little bit, and I keep it on my eyelid mainly. Then I blended the gray into my crease a little bit, and then I started adding black onto the outer side of my eye. I'm gonna start blending it into my crease. Now I'm dabbing a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna put a little bit on the inner half of my lids on both eyes. And I'm gonna blend it in so I could have a good base for the shimmer. Now I'm going over the concealer with that same shade from before. And then I'm gonna pile glitter on top. For glitter, I'm gonna go with this white glitter on the side, I think. Yeah, it's like my favorite glitter to use. I'm using this Hello Kitty one. I'm just doing a little wing. Is that okay? Is it even? Is that wing longer? Probably. We're gonna elongate the other side now. When you start matching up both sides, that's when things start to look crazy. Okay, I think we're just gonna stop. Now we're gonna move on to the lips. I'm using this NYX lip liner in, oh, I think it's Soft Spoken. And I'm gonna overline. My plan is to do, this looks cute, but I wanna try concealer lips. So, oh wait, I have some concealer on the back of my hand. Okay, let's try that out. The thing is, this looks really good like right now. I like this color. I don't know why my lips are naturally more like colored right now. I feel like usually they're a little more zombie, you know? Oh, I do need to moisturize though. Let me get a lip balm. Okay, now I have lip balm on. We're gonna put a little concealer. We're gonna see how that looks. Okay. I kind of like it. I think it's kind of cute, except I kind of went over the lip liner. Perfect. Perfect. I think we're just gonna do this. So we did eyes, we did lips. I'm not doing concealer under my eyes or anything else. Did I kill it or did I bomb it? Like, let me know. Okay, time to clip me the one time got my makeup looking like this so we can make edits.
Yeah, baby.
Edit me. Please. Please. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, thumbnail. Okay. Now we need to pack the purse. I think I'm gonna go with this one. We'll see if everything fits. So I'm gonna want to bring my digital camera. These I'm not packing, I'm gonna put on before I go outside. Lip combo, deodorant, hair roller, gum, book, my second camera, a few pads. Oh, I need playing cards. So I got these Bratz ones that I got for Christmas from my family, and then this Emily the Strange deck. Rihanna got me this one. I think I'm just gonna carry my Bratz one. I don't have to carry two. Ooh, I need to bring my DS with me, so I'm gonna pack that. Should I bring a diary with me? Sure. Okay, and then instead of a sketchbook, I think I'm gonna bring a little zine. I like this for sketching out design ideas, writing little lists of little projects I want to do, like craft projects. Usually I put pouches in my bags, but this one is on the smaller side, so I might just like shove everything in. Book, journal, deodorant, camera, cards, back pocket, lips, gum. You know what, I'll put the zine in the bag too. Heads into the bag. And the DS, I'm gonna throw it in the bag too. Oh, I need my ID and my wallet and whatever, so I'll grab that too. My Monster High wallet. It's not too heavy, so that's pretty great. Yeah, that's what we're gonna go with. I think that's all that we're packing. If I remember something last minute, I'll let you guys know, but that's all we got so far.